Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert text into AI music using Suno AI. So I will be on here and make sure you will have logged in. So here you will just enter the song description wherever you like. So it will be just created easily, but I will be just using for the song description to using a chat GPT, and simply I will just copy it and I will be just put it here as it well, and it is I will just shorten because of maximize words. So I will just tap on it to create this music and let's see how it's creating. So there are two songs, it will be just ready. So I will be just play it. Let's see.
The night falls deep, its shadow tight. Your voice, it whispers in the light. The night falls deep, its shadow tight. Your voice, it whispers.
So in this way you will have to convert text into AI music using Suno AI. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.